What if the future of hypercars looked this aggressive? Stay with us because today we're revealing a breathtaking 2027 hypercar, concept with a jaw-dropping design, extreme aerodynamics, and stunning 4K visuals. You won't want to miss the rear view. It completely steals the show. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're showcasing an ultra-realistic futuristic hypercar that combines luxury, speed, and cutting-edge design. Every angle of this machine has been crafted to look bold, aggressive, and ready for the future. Let's begin the full cinematic tour. From the front, this hypercar looks absolutely fearless. The razor-sharp LED headlights, massive air intakes, sculpted hood, and low aerodynamic stance create an unmistakable road presence. Every detail is engineered to maximize both style and performance. From this angle, the flowing body lines become even more impressive. The wide fenders, carbon fiber accents, and futuristic mirrors blend perfectly with the aggressive front fascia, giving this hypercar a race-inspired appearance. The side profile is sleek, muscular, and beautifully balanced. Its ultra-low ride height, aerodynamic side skirts, oversized performance wheels, and flowing curves create a silhouette that looks fast even while standing still. Looking from above reveals the incredible engineering behind this futuristic design. The sculpted roofline, integrated air channels, and aerodynamic body shape are optimized to reduce drag, while delivering maximum stability at high speeds. Now we arrive at the rear where this hypercar truly comes alive. The futuristic LED taillights, enormous carbon fiber diffuser, active rear wing, and aggressive exhaust layout create a bold and unforgettable design that dominates every road. From the rear three-quarter angle, every curve reflects performance and precision. The wide stance, sculpted rear bodywork, and premium carbon fiber elements give this hypercar a dramatic and race-ready personality. Step inside the cabin and experience true luxury. Premium leather seats, Alcantara trim, carbon fiber finishes, a fully digital cockpit, ambient lighting, a futuristic steering wheel, and advanced technology create an interior worthy of the next generation of hypercars. This futuristic hypercar proves that the future of automotive design is more exciting than ever. Which feature impressed you the most? The aggressive front, the incredible rear, or the luxurious interior? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this 4K showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing hypercars, supercars, and futuristic concept vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.